How to fix Instagram application not opening or loading. Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to fix a very common issue of Instagram application not opening or stuck on the loading screen. So if your application is crashing or not working, you can follow out these steps carefully. First of all, access the quick settings panel and you can just go over and switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. And also turn off the airplane mode on and off because a weak connection is the most common cause. Also, restart your phone. You can press your power button and look out for the restart option. Go ahead and tap on it and reboot your device. That should also clear out the temporary bugs very instantly. Apart from that, you can force stop the app. So hold the app and go to the info. And within the info, look out for the storage option. And within the info, look out for the force stop option and tap on it, and you can reopen the application. And also, you can clear out the cache, go to storage within app info, look out for clear cache and tap on it. That removes the corrupted temporary files. Apart from that, you can update the application. So go to Play Store for that and go ahead and directly search for Instagram here. And once we search for Instagram, look out for the just go ahead and update the application. And then while you're trying to log in Instagram, make sure that your account is not logged. You can also try logging in on a browser, instagram.com. And if nothing else works, you can hold the application and look out for the uninstall option. And again, reinstall it from the Play Store. And sometimes the problem is not your phone. Instagram service may be down. You can wait and try again later. But this is how we fix Instagram not opening or loading. The follow out the steps in your app should work smoothly again. If this video helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.